Hi guys, today's Saturday and it is my second day with the second dose, and I'm okay. I guess I feel a little slow. I think that's what's going on today. I feel a little slow, and I'm tired. Yeah, that's how I feel. I feel very tired. Little body ache, pain on the area where I was injected, and yeah, let's see how my day goes. We might be going to see Tom and Jerry today. I'm not sure. Depends what time my husband gets out. It is a beautiful day. It is. It is a beautiful day. And I look like shit. I just took a shower. All right, guys. Keep watching. And this is my mess right now. So let's get started.